Before testing, lower the paper suction plate to the surface, turn the bearing to make the paper push rod retreat to the starting point, and continue to rotate in the forward state. After confirming the state, lock the screw on the bearing. First, adjust the bottom paper bracket. Move the paper suction plate to the highest point. Take the paper tray bottom paper for measurement. Place it in the center of the 4 paper suction plates. Move the paper suction plates down and drop the paper onto the track. Confirm that the tail and guide rail is aligned with the mold. Align to the reserved fixing iron sheets on both sides of the mold. Then adjust the outlet end. Leave a gap of about 5 mm on each side of the paper. After confirming the paper fitting track, you can lock the screws. Adjust the bottom paper rack and raise the suction plate to the highest point first. Put the paper in the center of the 4 suction plates. Then push the bottom paper rack around the bottom paper to fix it. Let the bottom paper fall easily in the paper rack. Next, confirm the position of the number 1 paper feed head and the paper pressing head. Job the machine push rod will send the paper to the first return point. Then lock the paper pressing heads on both sides to prevent the bottom paper from being brought back. Continue to job the machine number 1 paper feed head to push the bottom paper to the second return point. The position where the bottom paper stays here must not block the sensor. After confirming that everything is correct, lock the paper pressing head at this position. Move the machine to push the number 2 paper feed pressure head to the edge of the mold. Do not touch the mold. Leave a gap of about 1 mm. As shown in the video, just push the paper into place. If the paper feed position error is large and the video effect is not achieved, adjust the 2 paper feed pressure heads and loosen the 2 screws on the lower track. Move its position until the effect shown in the video is achieved. Click the cylinder switch to control the finished product tray rack. Keep it closed. Then test it with the finished product to make it fall smoothly in the closed state. If it is too loose or too tight, adjust the cylinder position. Loosen these screws. You can adjust the cylinder position at these 3 locations. Until it can finish product smoothly. As for double station paper plate machine, repeat the operation at the other station.